Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about Invoice Fly. Invoice Fly is a business tool designed for contractors, freelancers, and home service workers. But is it actually legit? Let's find out. You can create invoices on the app, track time, scan receipts, and manage expenses. Over 125,000 people actively use it, and it has a 4.8 star rating on the App Store. The app is simple. You add your client info, create an invoice or estimate, and send it. Users love that it's easy to use and lets you quote clients and invoice them right away, even in front of them. You can add your logo, customize templates, and accept payments through PayPal, Stripe, or Apple Pay. Everything works on your phone, tablet, or computer. People say InvoiceFly is easy to use, helps create professional invoices quickly, and keeps all records organized in one place. Users appreciate the clean interface, customizable designs, and how affordable the annual plan is. Pricing starts at just $5.99, which is pretty cheap for what you get. Some other users complain there's no spell check, which should be standard. Another issue is that if you edit an invoice after a client signs it, the signature gets removed. That's frustrating if you need to add notes later. A few people also mentioned occasional lag on the website. Yes, InvoiceFly is totally legit. It's trusted by thousands of users and works as advertised. The reviews are mostly positive, and the company responds to feedback. If you run a small business or do freelance work, this app can save you time and make you look professional. InvoiceFly is great for simple invoicing, it's affordable, easy to learn, and gets the job done. Just know it does have some limits if you need advanced features. Overall, it's worth trying. That's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time.